Hello everyone. In this video I'm going to teach you how to make a video using the app KINEMASTER. So for this what you need to do, first of all go to Play Store and download the app KINEMASTER. Here you can see in my mobile, here it is already downloaded, right? So it is step number 1, download the app KINEMASTER. Then step number 2, you click on this plus sign, and these are some different frames. You can pick anyone according to your video. So I'll take this one. Then yes, here we need to work. After that, children, here you can see, here it is media. Click on it. According to our video, we need to pre-download some photos. So these are already downloaded. Here I'll go to download. And according to your speech and according to your documentary and your content, you need to download these photos already. And after that, you can add them in this timeline, right? You can add all these videos. And if these are images, you can add these images. Here I have added these all are the images. So here in this timeline you can add images and videos. So one task is done. So step number 1 was download KINEMASTER. Step number 2 is to make this timeline. Now what do we need to do? Now we need to add our speech in this. So there are 2 ways. One method is this: you can go to your phone recorder, right? Like there is phone recorder in my mobile. Here it is recorder, right? And here by pressing this recording button, you can record anything, whatever is required for your video, right? So after done recording, you can give it a name, right? And you can go out from this. Now what you can do, now you can add this pre-recorded audio in timeline. So here these are the folders, and in these folders I will find out recorded material. So here it is record, and here one speech I will take from here, Amartav Ka Phal, right? It is one of the story from Gautam Buddha. It is in Hindi actually. So here I have taken this.
दोस्तों, कई बार हम लोग अपने मन में कुछ ऐसी इच्छाएं पाल.
Right. So what we need to do, click on the plus, and now in your timeline this audio is also added. So 2 things are there in this. One is layer of photos, second is layer of your audio. Okay, and after that what you need to do, after that you need to add background music, because when you will use background music, so it will make your video very effective, right? So what do you need to do to get background music? So from internet you need to download. Here in my folder some already downloaded background musics are there. So here I will pick one. So merged mixed mp3 music, it will be in music. So now let me check it out. According to your speech and according to your story, you need to check it out what kind of background music is required. So accordingly you need to download and you need to use in your video, right? Again click on the plus sign. Here it is. So you can see here now this free flute background music, it is there, and here my speech is there, right? And after that you click on the plus here. So now this is ready. So by using this play button you can see what kind of work you have done.
दोस्तों, कई बार हम लोग अपने मन में कुछ ऐसी इच्छाएं पाल लेते हैं जिनका वास्तविक तौर पर पूरा होना एक असंभव सी बात होती है। अगर ऐसे में
Okay, so now you can see few works can be done, like you can give motion to these pictures, so it will make your work more alive and good. So by this way, using this tool, you can give motion to these all the pictures. Okay, so here it can be done by this way. You keep watching this all the process, and you also can do these all the things in your documentaries and videos. Right, here it is. So it is much better than before. Right, so here we have done. In this process you need to remember one more thing, that background music should not be louder than your voice. You need to adjust this. Here I have done it to 14%, 15%, right? And your voice should be there to 100%, right? Here it is. Now I think it is done.
दोस्तों, कई बार हम लोग अपने मन में कुछ ऐसी इच्छाएं पाल लेते हैं जिनका वास्तव
Okay, so here I have noticed background music. I need to raise the percentage of the background music. So again you click on background music, and again you click on this speaker button and do it 30%. Okay, now check it out again.
दोस्तों, कई बार हम लोग अपने मन में कुछ ऐसी इच्छाएं पाल लेते हैं जिनका वास्तविक तौर पर पूरा होना एक असंभव सी बात होती है। अगर ऐसे में कोई
Okay, so I think you people have better idea now how to make such kind of videos using these pictures, using your voice, and using background music, right? There are many things we can do, and variety of editings we can do in our videos using this app KINEMASTer, right? So it is very basic thing which I have told you right now in this video. After done this, what we need to do, we need to go to this page and we need to give name to our video. Okay, we have given a name to our video, and after that we need to exit it. We need to export the video, right? So now you click on the button export. So our video is exported. It is taking some time here. Yes, now our video is exported, and you need to share it by using this button. So here all the options are there. You can use it on YouTube also, and through WhatsApp you can share. And here you can see this video is available in video gallery of your mobile phone. And now you see the second method to add voice in your video with KINEMASTer. So here you can see first of all we need to add some images in this. So here, and let me add some images, right? So you go to a particular folder where you have saved some particular images, and after that you click on them, open it, click on them, and then these images will be the part of your timeline. Okay, so now these all images are again here, right? So now you need to speak something here. You need to record your voice here. So here the voice button, here you can see after pressing this button, start button, you will be able to record your voice in your video, right? So as you will speak, your entire audio will be recorded in this timeline. Now let me stop it, and after that we will see what I have recorded here. Okay, let's see now.
What start? After pressing this button, start button, you will be able to record your voice in your video, right? So as you will speak, your entire audio will be recorded in this timeline. Now let me stop it, and after that we will see what I have recorded here.
So here you have seen by two different methods we can add audio in our video, right? So one method is that one by picking any pre-recorded audio and adding in this, right? And second method is by using this voice button, this one, right? So by this way you can record your audio in this. And now at last let me tell you how to add some text material in this. So you click on this layer, and in this layer here you can see text, right? So here it is. So whatever you will type here, that will be visible on your screen, right? By this way. And variety of text styles are there, anyone you can choose, and you can use different colors also, right? Here it is. So by this way you people can add photos, can add your voice, can add background music, and you can add some text material in your video, in your documentary. So by using layers of photos, videos, and your voice and background music and text material, so by using these four layers you people can make your video, right? So this is very simple technique which I have told you. Many other things we can do in our video, variety of editings are possible with the help of KineMaster. So these we will discuss in our, and these I'll show you in our further videos. Till then, bye bye.